When Levitt built Village Greens in 1971, this was the first planned townhouse community in New York City. 250 acres, looped streets, one way in, one way out, a 13-acre park at the center with 2 Olympic-sized pools and tennis courts. The whole place was designed to feel like its own village, and 50 years later, it still does. 20 Kyle Court sits at the end of one of those loops right inside of Dover Green. No through traffic, a corner lot at the quietest spot on a quiet street. Inside, it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, semi-attached home, roughly 2,500 square feet. Eat-in kitchen, separate dining room, living room that leads straight to the yard, a primary bedroom with a private bath and a walk-in closet. A screen room off the back for summer nights with glass siding so that you could use it for 3 seasons. Stone exterior, central air, gas heat, attached garage, 2 balconies, and a fenced yard wrapping 3 sides of the home. The HOA covers both pools, the tennis courts, the clubhouse, the playground. $800 a year. The thing about Village Greens is that once people get in, they don't typically leave. Kids grow up here, neighbors become family, and homes on the end of the loop with 4 bedrooms almost never come up. This is the first time in nearly 50 years that this house is hitting the market. It's offered today at $699,000, listed by Joseph Ranola, team leader of the Bridge and Borough team at Real Broker.